What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to maximize your gains post-workout. And we're going to be discussing the importance of post-workout nutrition. And there's a certain nutrient that I think a lot of people sleep on, and that nutrient is carbohydrates. So when you have an intense workout, your body will burn through its glycogen stores, and it causes your body to secrete cortisol. And what cortisol will do is it's going to leach into your muscle tissue in order to create more glucose. So what those carbohydrates are going to do is they're going to replenish those glycogen stores that were depleted during your workout and stave off that cortisol in order to expedite the recovery process. Another reason that carbs are so amazing is that they're going to spike your insulin, which will then promote muscle growth and provide your body with the fuel it needs to grow muscle. Your muscles are extremely sensitive to insulin post-workout, so you need to make sure you're getting in those carbs immediately after. The best time, honestly, would be right when you get to your car, but maximum, try to get them in within 30 minutes post-workout. Timing is so important because your body goes directly into repair mode after your workout. Your body's ability to utilize these nutrients is going to spike post-workout, right? Because you just tore up your muscles, your body is looking for anything that it can grab onto in order to recover. So the longer you wait, the less efficiency that you're going to get from those nutrients. And when you're choosing a carbohydrate, try to make it a fast-acting carb. So a fast-acting carb can be anything with sugars in it, like a banana, a granola bar, some juice, something like that. And I know there's like a bad connotation with sugar, but there is an exception when you're around your workout period, during your workout, post-workout, or before, because your body will utilize that sugar differently than when you're just sitting around on the couch eating candy, right? And then for protein, go for a whey protein isolate. It's a fast-absorbing protein, taking about 15 minutes to fully release. This correlates to the importance of the fast-acting carbs post-workout. You also want to make sure you're getting a fast-acting protein as well. So this was a quick video for you guys, but it's a super important tip. Don't sleep on this one, guys. It's going to help you make so much more gains in the gym. Just have like a granola bar or something ready for you in the car with your protein shake ready to go, or just wait till you get home if you want. It's not going to make or break you, but we obviously want to make sure our body's utilizing it as efficiently as possible. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope this tip helped you guys out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.